I'm Anmeria. Today I am telling a story about birds, friends of the sky. Birds are our feathered friends. Today the students are doing a lesson on birds. Teacher, do you know what makes a bird different from other animals? Shreya, is it the pretty colors? No. Other animals such as fish and insects are colorful too. Amen. Is it the bill or beak? No. Other animals such as the duck-billed platypus have bills too. Birds lay eggs? Money. Teacher, no. Other animals such as fish and insects. Fish and insects also lay eggs. Ravi, is it the wings? No. Other animals such as insects and bats wings too. Students, then what is it? Teacher, feathers. All birds have feathers and they are the only animals that do. Today, then, teacher told, today children, today I am telling to what common features of birds. Tell teacher. The students was excited to hear about common features of bird. Teacher told, you must have seen birds flying in the sky and wish that you could fly too, said the teacher. The teacher said, birds have wings. The bird's wings are the most important part that help birds in flying. They will tell, the wings is important for birds. The teacher tell, yes, of course. Then the teacher tell again about birds' feathers. Oh, the children was excited to hear about feathers. Children, the body of the bird is covered with feathers. Tell the teacher. Also, the feathers on the wings and tail the bird in flying. Okay. Also, birds shed their feather from time to time. Okay. Then the class monitor Geeta say, friends, birds have beaks too. Their beaks do not have teeth. They use their beaks to eat food and depends on the shape of its beak, said the class monitor Geeta. Then the teacher says, also the strong hook-shaped beak of parrots helps them to eat nuts and hard fruits. Also children, pigeons and sparrows have short beak and have short, hard and pointed beaks. These help them to eat grains and seeds. Oh, okay, said the children. And thank you for watching this video. This is the part 1 video. Part 2 is coming. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, click the bell icon. Bye bye.